Hello viewers, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to add Instagram story highlights on our account. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's dive into our Instagram app. So this is our Instagram app, so we have to move over to our profile. Now, okay, we have two basic ways of posting Instagram story highlights. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the two ways. Okay, the first one is you have to click on this plus sign right here. Now we have here, it says reel post story. Okay, we have to click on the story. Now it says add a picture to your story, add a picture or a video to your story. Okay, let's say we want to add this flower right here to our story. Okay, just click on forward, share, click on done. Okay, now we successfully posted the picture on our story. Now let's click on the story. Okay, just click on the story. Now you're going to see create, Facebook, send and more. Okay, just have to click on more. Now we're going to see where it says delete, save post, highlight. Okay, now we're going to click on this highlights here. Now it says add a name to our new highlight. So yeah, we're going to just choose a name. Okay, I'm just going to choose a name for your highlight, whatever name you want to use. Okay, let me just go with flower. Okay, now we just have to click on add. As you can see, added to highlight, you click on done. Okay, now it has been, let's go back. Now as you can see right here, it has been added to our profile. Okay, the highlight has been added. Let's click on it. So as you can see, it has been added. Okay, now another means to add a highlight to our account is by clicking on this same plus sign. Now we're going to see reels, post, story and story highlight. Okay, we'll click on this story highlight. These story highlights are pictures or stories that we've posted in the past. Okay, now you can only add pictures and stories that you've added before by using this means. Okay, let's just say we want to add this picture to our highlight. Now we click on next. Okay, now let's enter the name we want to use to save this highlight. Let me just click on favor. Okay, now right here it says edit cover. For those of you that want to edit the cover, you can also go ahead by clicking on this edit cover right here, and you can zoom it or zoom out anyone you want. If you don't want to zoom in, you want to use another picture as a cover. Okay, you just click on this beside the picture. Now it's going to bring out your gallery. Okay, just select the picture you want to use as the cover. Let me use this red flower. Okay, you click on this forward arrow here. Now you can see it has been changed already, so you just have to click on done. Okay, next thing, click on done also. As you can see, it has been added. Okay, now we click on not now. As you can see right here, our second highlight has been added. Okay, can you see that? This is just basically how to add Instagram story highlight to our account. Okay, as you can see here, the picture has been added already. So this is just basically how to add Instagram story highlights. So guys, if this video was really helpful to you, consider liking this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you and see you on the next one.